must have bought it when it was cheap because it's pretty expensive, like gold. Silver's cheap, relatively.
I'm waiting for gold to blow up.
Well, I think food's going to be worth more than gold when the world blows up.
You won't have to worry about bitcoins or anything.
All right.
Unless you think you're going to be one of the survivors.
That'll be a financial blow up, not a. I don't think we're going to crash. Markets will crash every time. Okay, so we are doing.
We just built the template for it, right? To do it remote. I think we just built it and we were going to open an Excel file.
Right.
That's the customer.
The contact.
You want to open the contact.
Right.
You can close the customer out. You can look it up there. You can close that one.
Yes.
Separately.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right. So contact.
Did we not say it?
Contact. Oh, here.
It's a little bit of a shorter list. Note that every time you do that, it does not say what the CSV. So it may not be worth your time.
Oh, just for my own visualization.
Let's try ship to number being blank. See if it works. So let's add another contact. So you have Bill add Hillary Clinton. That.
Yeah, let's go forward. Private channel. Private channel.
Access to that.
Quick one has.
This is the customer ID. Right, so Ventra is it VEN001?
Right. Little arrow at anybody's business.
Exactly. Hello again, see what happens. You have it open right now.
Oh, thank you.
So then 001 doesn't think it knows. So let's go find out if then 001 doesn't exist. Just go to the customer tab.
Yeah.
Then 005. That's what it is. We just assume there was already one of that since they created.
Yeah. Oh, right. That's great.
Okay, so that's what we'll ship to number. Now let's go create a customer ship to, and then modify this tab 1 with ship to as well. Then we're done customer. Completely. Alright, so let's go. Back to that customer. File new customer ship to. Right, so ship to number or ID. So this is the ID of the ship to location. It is up to you whether or not you want to actually physically ID it somehow properly here, or if you say this is ship to 001, ship to 002, ship to 003.
Right.
And just change the address based on that. It is searchable.
Okay, so you can't actually use the customer ID to.
So this is Ventra. Let's say Ventra Sandusky had a secondary plant across the street somewhere that they have had to send stuff to sometimes.
Okay.
You said let's ship to 001. So they have their main ship to, which is their actual address, and they have ship to 001, which is a ship to number on it,
Right.
which you can select when you actually want to create a shipper or when you want to create a sales order or what's going on.
Okay.
Okay, so let's just start with 001. Right. and the ID is local to the customer. So every single customer can have the same ship to ID 001 with different addresses. So based on customer. Right? Is there a specific phone number for the ship to? You can have a separate phone number for them if you want to. Thanks. Don't put a phone number in for now. Leave those three blank. Just so we have something. Ship via, right? So instead of ships, if this ship 2 can have a separate ship via than the default. Right. Let's drop that. We don't have to put that right now. EDI ship to code becomes important later when we get to the EDI, but right now we're not doing EDI. Country exit. Again, you don't have to put that in there.
EDI electronic data integration. Yes.
Or data interface, actually.
Data is something. Oh yeah, interface. That makes sense.
Yeah, let's put an actual address in this.
No, do we use? Well, you use your actual address.
We use a separate address, not their home address, but a different address.
Okay.
Right, so I can find some random address that's across the street from Venture somewhere. Let's go to McDonald's.
This is in case you have another place you got to ship it to.
That's correct.
For the same client.
Exactly. Not so you're billing to the same location, but you're shipping somewhere else.
The example of yours.
Yeah.
So how are you gonna denote something like that? Because that's important.
Yeah. So what happens is the ship to denotes where it's going. The bill to always stays the same. Right. There is the ability to do alternate bill tos as well, but that has to be selected manually.
Both of those scenarios are possible.
What's the city again?
Cities.
I don't think there is very often or whatever, but they could in the future be different places, right? Where you're billing someone and shipping to someone else.
What's the postal code again?
Postal code is 44870.
I'm actually surprised that Venture does it that way. They have separate plans to do it. It's essential for the billing purpose.
Yeah, like you
I
would
could see shipping to.
shipping to. I would have always expected every
Go to
client
place
has
where it
regular
goes,
ship
but
to.
billing to?
Billing goes to the head office.
Yeah.
That's what I would have thought.
But
Alright.
they don't.
All right, so you have your different bill tos and your different information in there. Get territory is vital. You always want to make sure that your get territory is there.
Okay, you gotta hit it.
You gotta
If
hit
you
it.
don't,
There's no
it's gonna
territory.
prompt you.
It's gonna when you hit save, it'll say there's no territory. Please no territory.
So there's a built-in version, forget it, which will happen early on.
Yeah. Guaranteed.
Guaranteed.
Primary ship to?
So if you check that box, it'll actually make this the primary ship to location for the customer.
Right.
It'll ignore the regular ship to and make this one always one of the defaults when you create a new sales.
Which you wouldn't want in this case because this is an alternate site.
You don't want this one.
That's right, you don't want it.
You don't want this ship one of the blank. But we want to add that checkbox to our DMT so that we can check it on some of them if we want to.
Oh, so you have to create that in the DMT. You have to actually have that for the check. You
want it, that's
you have
what
to
we're talking
add that code.
about.
so that
You have the column there. So
Oh yeah,
it
it's
creates
called.
what's going to be shown on here.
So,
But most of the time, we didn't have scenarios where we had to check where we were checking boxes. On.
no, there's no checkbox. It's just true or false.
Oh.
When you type in true, it's checked. Type in false,
is this
it's
a
not
building?
checked.
Is this a building?
It's a 0 or a 1.
The 0, 1, okay, same thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Um,
Same thing.
All right. That's it for now.
save it.
Just say it for now. Yeah. All right. So that's in there now. You can see the other only 11 and 4 is in there too. So we have our ship 2 now. So now let's go and build the DMT for customer ship 2s.
What's that?
Power rate.
Was it a different one?
That's for
The phone.
no. So this is the default power brick that you get with the Service Pros.
Oh, okay.
It's got a USB connection as well, so you can charge your phone
Oh, okay.
rather than plugging the phone into the side of the service itself. Is that just tape on there, or is that an actual steel cable?
That looks like this. This is the power for Surface, but it's got a USB. I guess.
Exactly. Yeah.
I was looking at it. That was kind of neat.
What are we building again? Thank you. Ship.
Ship to one word.
Oh.
See, that would bother me. See, I would put capital T there. To identify.
Yeah, whatever.
I'm gonna check all yours. I'm gonna change.
You can lock out the access.
No way.
Okay,
Alright, so
customer number is
not required. Because that's the customer number. This was also going to have custom test ID. You want it somewhere.
right.
Address you want.
Yes.
City, state, zip code, you want all those.
Okay.
Because it could be a completely different city and state where you're shipping to.
Exactly. Right.
Same with country. You leave the territory ID blank. Sales rep code, you could add that if there's a separate sales rep. You guys do not have extra sales reps. Leave it alone.
Okay. Territory ID.
Territory is not required to get territory.
Right. Exactly.
Phone number, fax number.
EDI shipping
Something
number.
like that. Scroll that email address. Okay, so scroll up a bit. This is important to note as well. Determine how the ship to location is assigned by the territory select. Right? You can actually have this sync with the customer. Whenever the customer's territory changes, the ship to territory changes regardless of its location.
Okay.
Or you can have the ship to location based on the system and use get territory location. I'm actually thinking that maybe we don't use get territory and we have this set to sync. That way all your ship twos are always based on whatever the customer level.
Okay.
Right, so actually just check off territory select and the sync is how we're going to fill it in. Most of this you don't need. I think we got everything we needed. Customer ship to.
Yes, I'm pretty sure.
All right. After we load this one, then we'll build the playlist to load all these in a row.
Oh, all right.
You say playlist?
So
That's
the DMT they created the word playlist. So they have playlists and playbooks. What happens is you should create like 7 DMTs here that we load in a row. Rather than manually load them, what we do is we create a playlist that links every single DMT and what order they should load in. And
so
then-
that's the playlist, which is kind of like
exactly. It's kind of like
that's what I was
playlist.
thinking that word. Yeah.
And then we run
How
the
you run it.
playlist,
Yeah.
and it runs all the DMTs at one time.
So the playlist you created is what do you want to go first?
Yeah.
In
Here's
order,
my
right?
order.
And then
A
playbook
playbook is a list of playlists.
of all the
Of
different.
all the playlists that we can.
So you
so,
have identified.
yeah, so we'll do a playlist for customer, and a playlist for supplier, and a playlist for
Yeah, that's
customer.
right. We haven't even done
Right, doing that, yeah. So what do we want for each of those? And then we'll create a playbook that encompasses all.
that. Yeah, the playbook is where
The whole load. And
that's the one that you want to look at to understand. Oh, this is when we did this.
And the idea is that at the end, well, the playbook actually works the same way as the playlist does. Just loads all the playlists at once.
no, but it's your
It's
your
it's your identifier for everything. So, and then what will happen as well is when we do load the playbook, the idea is hopefully we can just hit go and load the whole entire system. And that's the dream.
Yeah, that's the dream.
Never happened.
Never happens. I've experienced it. Never happened. Well, they didn't call them